one for the Chevrolet pickup fans. Check this one out. 1982 C10 Silverado. Factory diesel. 6.2 liter diesel underneath the hood. Actually, 1982 would be the first year for that 6.2 liter diesel. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Believed to be original miles. 114,870. Power steering. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front. You can see a little different grille setup since it was new and more modern headlights in it. Still retaining the original 6.2 liter diesel hood ornament. Kind of cool. Check out the still pictures. Take your time looking through it. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, riding on Cooper Cobra radials, American Racing torque thrust style wheels, front disc brakes. Has had a repaint in its life along the line somewhere. Now, as far as the color, call this kind of a burgundy paint on it. It has a nice shine to it, as you can see. Is it perfect? No, and I'll kind of point out some of the things that I've noticed as I'm walking around it. Would have originally been a carmine and silver truck. Let's take a look down this passenger side. As you can see along the lower rockers. Looks good. Wheel wells. Take note of the side glass in the still pictures. It is tinted, and it is a darker tint, so know your local and state laws. I rolled them down for the video, but in the still pictures, you'll see what I'm talking about. Interior has been reupholstered to a burgundy vinyl cloth blend. We'll get around to the driver's side. We'll check that out a little closer. Some things I want to show you in there too. Sliding rear glass. You'll note gas door. This did have the auxiliary tank option on it. And you can see exactly how this truck would have been equipped from Chevrolet back in 1982. There's the sticker, comes in the glove box, that is intact, and in the still pictures. The still pictures, you're also going to notice it does have a spray and bed liner, a soft foldable tonneau cover. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Coming around to the rear of the truck, get a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. So it would have an automatic with overdrive transmission paired up with that 6.2 liter diesel. If you look at the underside picture, you're going to see it does have a true dual exhaust, and it is newer as far as the mufflers and the pipes go. Let's take a look down the driver's side. Now, did kind of notice there's some specs in the clear, and it's tough to get them to show up sometimes, but they are there. Does it still have a nice shine to it, nice look? Absolutely. Just want to let you know that, is the paint perfect on it? No. It's one of those, drive it though, have some fun, local roll-ins, local cruise-ins, because you don't see these. A lot of them were worked to death, rusted and gone. Kind of cool to see an 82 diesel in a Chevy truck, no doubt about that. Take a look down the driver's side here in the lower rockers. If you're into Chevy pickups, whether it be square bodies, older ones, newer ones, maybe like muscle cars, sports cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily. Just wanted to point out a couple spots. There's some corrosion behind that bright work here on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. Power windows, power locks. As you can see, power windows do work, obviously. They are down. Door panels have been redone, as well as the dash. Kind of a custom overhead install here with speakers and stereo. As far as when you start this, you want to push and hold this for a little while before you go to crank the engine over. So we're going to do that. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run here a little bit. Then I'm going to turn it back off just because we'll pop the hood open and it'll be a lot easier for me. You won't hear me otherwise. Let's give her just a little bit more here. This is a cold start. I haven't had it running yet today, so we're going to go ahead and hold that for a bit longer. You can stick around to the very end of this video and we will take this truck for a drive too, so you'll be able to see how it goes down the road. You can see interior free of rips, tears, holes, and again, cloth vinyl combination. All right. There we go. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Gotta love that sound. Have any experience with these older diesels growing up? Put it down in the comments. How fun would this truck be? All right, so you get an idea how it sounds. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off here in just a second. Because like I said, I wanna pop the hood, let you look at that engine bay, and it obviously is gonna be a little bit louder when I pop that hood open. So let's go ahead, turn it off, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this walk around video. Hood release would be inside here, so let's pop that. See if I can open this one-handed. There we go. How about the hood liner? Hood liner looks good. There it is. 6.2 liter, again, power steering. Front disc brakes. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Of course, the dual battery setup. Looks like this one is just not even a year old, coming up on a year old. This one's just a few years old, so newer battery setup. And you'll be able to see still pictures of the engine bay on our website with the rest of the pics. Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Call us, 507-386-1726. Again, stick around just a little longer. We're going to take this truck for a drive. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1982 Chevrolet C10. This truck is a diesel, is an automatic, shifted right here on the column. Plenty of torque and plenty of power in that 6.2 liter diesel. Over in the center of the dash we have a tachometer, reminiscent of a big rig tachometer, kind of cool. Speedometer is working well. The fuel gauge is showing it completely full. Not sure if that is accurate. Our oil pressure is about 70. Temperature about 195. And the volts are at 14. That's all looking good. The wipers work. The blower motor works. Overhead we have a radio. It is also working. Speakers. And light built into that overhead console. Comfortable factory looking cloth and vinyl bench seat in this truck. Power brakes working well. Power steering also working well. This truck corners as it should. Very easy to steer. Good power steering. A little bit of wind on this wing window on a windy April day in Minnesota. Very nice running diesel truck from 1982, the Chevrolet C10. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more at uniqueclassiccars.com.